Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching ITI NIMI channel Electrician. In this video, I am going to ask safety practice and hand tools NIMI question bank. Okay, let us start. This is question number 1. What is the name of the safety sign? You have to tell what is the name of this safety sign. Option A, warning sign, mandatory sign, prohibition sign, information sign. The answer is information sign. What is the smoothing in extinguishing of fire? Adding the fuel element to the fire, removing the fuel element from the fire, using of water to lower the temperature, isolating the fire from the supply of oxygen. The answer is isolating the fire from the supply of oxygen. Which is the physical hazard? Smoking, vibration, corrosive, radioactive. The answer is vibration. I will ask this question again. Which is the physical hazard? Smoking, vibration, corrosive, radioactive. The answer is vibration. Which is the correct sequence of operation to be performed when using the fire extinguisher? Option A, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Pull, aim, sweep, squeeze. Push, arrange, squeeze, sweep. Push, arrange, sweep, sequence. The answer is pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Which step of the 5S concept refers standardization? Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. The answer is Step 4. Which plier is used for making wire hook and loops? Flat nose plier, long nose plier, round nose plier, diagonal cutting plier. The answer is round nose plier. What is the use of pincer? Twisting the flexible wires, cutting the small diameter of wires, extracting the pin nail from the wood, holding the small object where fingers cannot reach. The answer is extracting the pin nails from the wood. What is the name of the road safety sign? You have to tell what is the name of this road safety sign. Mandatory sign, cautionary sign, informatory sign, prohibition sign. The answer is mandatory sign. What is the background color of warning sign in the basic category? Blue, white, yellow, green. The answer is yellow. Which type of fire extinguisher is used for fire on electrical equipments? Halon type, foam type, gas cartridge type, stored pressure type. The answer is halon type. Which is the waste disposal method that produces heat? Recycling, composting, incineration, waste compaction. The answer is incineration. Which personal protective equipment is used for the protection from fumes? Apron, goggles, ear mask, nose mask. The answer is nose mask. What is the full form of BIS? Board of Indian Standard, Bureau of Indian Standard, Board of International Standard, Bureau of International Standard. The answer is Bureau of Indian Standard. Which method is used to lift and move heavy loads? Winches, crane and slings, layer and rollers, machine moving platform. The answer is crane and slings. What is starving in extinguishing of fire? Adding fuel to the fire, using water to cool the fire, removing fuel element from the fire, preventing oxygen supply to the fire? The answer is removing fuel element from the fire. What is the name of PPE? We have to tell what is the name of this PPE. Nose mask, head shield, face shield, hand screen. The answer is hand screen. Which disposal method of waste save lot of energy? Landfill, recycling, incineration, composting. The answer is recycling. Which artificial respiration method is to be performed to the victim with injuries on the chest and belly? Schaffer method, mouth-to-mouth method, mouth-to-nose method, Nelson arm lift back pressure method. The answer is Nelson arm lift back pressure method. Which type of occupational health hazard is cause for infection? Electrical hazard, biological hazard, physiological hazard, psychological hazard. The answer is biological hazard. What is the use of this tool? You have to tell what is the use of this tool. Holding the hot substances, cutting and twisting the wire, extracting nails from the wood, loosening and tightening the bolts and nuts. The answer is extracting nails from the wood. How will you diagnose the victim is suffering under the cardiac arrest? Get pains in spinal cord, mouth will be closed tightly, heavy swelling on his stomach, appears blue color around his lips. The answer is appears blue color around his lips. What is the name of the tool? You have to tell what is the name of this tool. Wire stripper, crimping tool, combination plier, diagonal cutting plier. The answer is diagonal cutting plier. What is the name of the safety sign? You have to tell what is the name of this safety sign. Warning sign, mandatory sign, prohibition sign, information sign. The answer is information sign. What will be the first aid to be given to stop the bleeding of the victim? Applying ointment, keep the injured portion upward, covering the wound portion by dressing, applying pressure, cover the injured portion. Answer is applying pressure over the injured portion. Okay, this is I think something confusing question, because when bleeding the two options will be correct. First one is keep the injured portion upward. Okay, keep the injured portion upward, and second one is applying pressure over the injured portion. Okay, so in our NIMI question bank, the answer is applying pressure over the injured portion. Okay, I think this is the important question. What immediate action should be taken to rescue the victim if he is still in contact with the electrical power supply? Pull or push him from contact by the hand. Inform your authority about this electric shock. Call someone for helping or to remove him from contact. Break the contact by switching off power. The answer is break the contact by switching off the power. What is the name of cautionary sign? You have to tell what is the name of this cautionary sign. School, guarded, unguarded, pedestrian crossing. The answer is pedestrian crossing. Which is the golden hour for the victim injured on head with risk of dying? First 15 minutes, first 30 minutes, first 45 minutes, first 60 minutes. The answer is first 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, friends.